Are you still not awake? Yeah? Here, go ahead. You want to try to open it? Yeah?
Right here, go ahead.
Go ahead. Woo! Good job! Want to do some more? Yeah? Okay, here, let me have that one. Thank you. Good job! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Open.
You gotta open it. What is it?
Open.
Ooh, another present. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Ooh, thank you. Oh, you got it? Yeah? Thank you.
It's a puppy.
Look, it's a puppy. It's a book. Wow. What else you got?
It's a puppy.
It is a puppy.
It's tea.
Kitty.
Kitty. That's very nice. He's a horsey. Horse. Who's that? Santa.
It's a puppy.
It is a puppy. Where's Kit Kat?
Tita.
Kit Kat. I see. Santa.
Ho, ho, ho.
Good job. I didn't teach her that.
Tea.
Horsey.
Puppy.
Yeah.
No, puppy.
Is another puppy. Ooh, what is that? Tree? Is that a tree?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo? I see the choo-choo. What else you got? Look, what is this? Oh, wow. Abby, do you want to wear this? Look what's on there. Abby, what's on the dress? It's a puppy. Very cute. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What's that?
Huh.
It's another book. Ooh. Look.
It's a puppy.
It's a bunny. Oh, that's a good book. Mommy likes that one. It says, guess how much I love you. Say thank you.
German.
Can you say thank you?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Mima. Thank you. Abby, can you say Mima?
Yeah.
You like your books.
Apple.
Yeah. Aw. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.